just reading about the alkaline metals, lithium in particular. It says here, two familiar alkaline metals are sodium, one of the components of salt, and lithium, oftentimes used in batteries. In fact, lithium is the third element on the periodic table, and is technically the first metal and alkaline metal on the whole periodic table in order, because the first element, hydrogen, is not a metal. Since I'm on the subject, why don't I just fill y'all in a little more. Li. Its atomic mass is 6.94, which is roughly rounded to 7. The atomic number is 3. Since that's the atomic number, the electrons and the protons are also 3. I don't have the neutrons on the board, but it's easy to figure it out. You just subtract 6.94 rounded to 7 minus 3, and you get 4, which means that lithium has 4 neutrons. And its electron configuration is 1s, 2, 2s, 1. Ways to describe lithium: it's metallic, solid, and it has like a silvery color. Its boiling point is 1,347 degrees Celsius, and its melting point is 180.54 degrees Celsius. And its density is 0.53 grams over centimeters squared. Some chemical properties of it is that when you take lithium, you add it to oxygen, you get lithium oxide. And when you add water to lithium, you get hydrogen gas. Some physical properties of it are that lithium, it's soft, it is like a shiny, and it floats. Uses for lithium. Okay, the most common one, which basically everybody knows, used for batteries. Another one you probably don't know is that when you take the lithium and you put it with fireworks, it causes it to come out red, which is really cool. And another common one that you probably are aware of is that lithium is oftentimes used for prescriptions. Some interesting things about lithium? Well, when it burns, not on the fireworks, but by itself, it burns white. And it can be found in springs, and it can be found in igneous rocks. It also is the lightest metal out of all metals. To conclude my little lesson, lithium was discovered in 1817 in Sweden by Johan August Adamson. And the word lithium comes from the Greek term lithos, which means stone, which makes sense because after all, lithium does come from igneous rocks.